Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson of science with the Fusion book of grade 3. Now let's open in page 134 and we are still dealing with the behaviors and instincts. So here in this page we see the title Finding Food. So let's continue, and actually in this page we have two examples, and in page 135 we have another 3 examples under the title Finding Shelter. So let's continue. Hungry, cold, wet. That's what animals would be without the instinct to find food and shelter. So every animal looks for food when it's hungry. It's an instinctual behavior. So looking for food, it is an instinctual behavior. It's not a learned behavior. But actually finding food can be a learned behavior. Finding or looking for food, knowing how to find or where to find and how to hunt for food, this is a learned behavior. This is how we saw that a lion mom would teach her cub how to hunt for food. Some animals learn from watching their parents or other adults, but some animals can learn by themselves too. Now let's see some of the examples here. For example, this bear here is trying to catch this fish. Bears come at this stream to catch salmon. The bears wait for the fish to swim upstream. This is a learned behavior. So basically the bears learned it from their adults probably. Now let's see this fish. Look at this fish here in picture 1, 2 and 3. This fish came up to the first surface of the water and he just spilled water to this insect here, and the insect fell into the surface of the water, so this fish could eat the insect. How did this archer fish know how to get food from above the water? The fish instinctively shoots water at insects in the air to catch them. So it is an instinctual behavior. Now continuing with finding shelter, these birds learned to build nests on buildings when trees were cut down. So these birds here, they learned, it is a learned behavior, they learned how to build nests on buildings. So next one, let's see here. Gaffer uses what it has, soil and claws, to make a shelter in the ground. Next, let's see the ants here. Ants work together to make an anthill. They use the soil around them. The hill hides a tunnel system that provides shelter and storage space for food. So basically the ants, they create an anthill with many tunnels and many areas or spaces where they could store food. So this is also a learned behavior. Thank you very much for this lesson and see you in the next lesson.